Good morning, grade 3. So today we are going to be moving on to a new thing, but before we start, let me start with a quote. Start each day with a grateful heart. Now boys, please remember to say thank you to whoever is helping you with online school. This lesson is going to be about shapes. Remember, we are looking at the elements of art, and we are going to be looking at shape. Shapes are very important in art. Cool! Today we are learning about shapes. What are shapes and why are they so important in art? Those are very good questions. Let's find out together. Definition of a shape in art. Any two-dimensional area with a recognizable boundary. Okay boys, so remember we learned about line last week? So a shape is made up of different lines that come together and formed a closed area. So like a cricket pitch, the area around the cricket pitch is called a boundary, and that is similar to shapes. When we talk about shapes in art, we are talking about any two-dimensional or 2D objects. Therefore, a shape only has length and width. Okay, so length and width, shapes are flat. Where can we see shapes in this classroom? On the board, everywhere. Everything we can see has a shape. That is 100% correct. You are both right. Well done, boys. Shapes can help us get better at drawing. If we break something down into basic shapes, it will make it easier for us to draw. Here are some examples of how to use basic shapes to improve your drawing skills. Okay boys, so you can see this flamingo over here on the far left, and then the person has drawn basic shapes over the shape of the flamingo just to get an idea of what the shapes of the flamingo are. Then they've done the shapes, and then they've rubbed out all the boundaries between the shapes, and they have drawn a flamingo. So we are not doing this today, but it's good for us to know. There are two types of shape, organic shapes and geometric shapes. Organic shapes are shapes we find in nature. They have a natural look and are usually curvy, flowy, and one of a kind. These are examples of organic shapes. Geometric shapes are often found in human-made things. They are precise and we can use maths to measure them. When something is precise, it is very exact or accurate. Here are some examples of geometric shapes. Now our work for today, we are going to be drawing some shapes. So you need one piece of paper, and on half of the page you will do geometric shapes for me please, and on the other side of the page you will do organic shapes for me please. I have put some lovely examples here to help you. Now boys, hearts are sometimes organic and sometimes geometric because it depends on symmetry. So if you folded this heart in half, it would match up exactly. So if you do a wiggly heart, then it would go on the organic side. But that's one that people get confused with. Don't worry about it. Our main ones that we need to focus on are triangles, circles, square, anything with a flat boundary or even a big nice circle. So if you can fold it in half and it matches up nicely with itself, that is a geometric shape. All right. Thank you so much, boys. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the lesson.